Welcome to the best picks. The best large hamper with lid is probably one of the most versatile and essential items for any home, offering a stylish and practical solution for storing laundry, toys, blankets, or even seasonal decorations, helping you maintain a clutter-free and organized living space with ease and elegance. Number 5. SONGMICS Synthetic Rattan Laundry Hamper with Lid. Tired of laundry clutter? This hamper with a lid keeps your dirty clothes out of sight and odors contained. It even keeps curious pets away from your laundry. Don't let its compact size fool you. This basket offers a generous 90-liter capacity, perfect for fitting into tight spaces in your bathroom, bedroom, or laundry room. Keeping things clean is easy with the removable, machine-washable liner. It even comes with handles, making it simple to carry your laundry wherever you need to go. Crafted from waterproof and breathable PP rattan, it keeps clothes dry and ventilated. The robust metal frame ensures it can hold up to 55 pounds of laundry with ease. Moving it is a breeze thanks to the cutout handles. The floor-friendly feet protect your surfaces, and when not in use, it conveniently folds away for easy storage. What we like? This hamper features a convenient lid to keep laundry out of sight and odors contained. Its removable liner with handles makes transport to the washing machine a breeze. If you're looking for a stylish and practical solution for smaller spaces, this is a great choice. What people say. The hamper is large and can hold a lot of laundry. The lid keeps the laundry contained and prevents odors from escaping. The design is simple and elegant, fitting well with most decor. Number 4. VASAGLE BRENTA Collection Laundry Hamper UBLH301B01. Tired of laundry day chaos? This hamper makes sorting simple with 3 distinct compartments, keeping your clothes organized and ready for washing. Need extra space? The top shelf provides a convenient spot for organizing detergent or displaying decor. Its slatted design also promotes air circulation. Cleaning is a breeze. The individual bags detach easily thanks to hook and loop fasteners, making them simple to wash and maintain. Crafted with a sturdy steel frame and durable MDF, this hamper is built for longevity. The water-resistant bags and adjustable feet ensure stability. Add a touch of style to any room. Its versatile design fits perfectly in your laundry room, bathroom, or bedroom, combining functionality with modern aesthetics. What we like? This hamper is designed with 3 separate compartments, making laundry sorting effortless. It also includes a convenient top shelf for extra storage or display. If you have a lot of laundry and need to keep it organized, this hamper is perfect for you. What people say. The hamper is large and can hold a lot of laundry. The lid keeps the laundry out of sight and prevents odors from escaping. The hamper is made of durable material and is built to last. Number 3. Mind Reader Slim Laundry Hamper with Lid. Introducing the Mind Reader Slim Laundry Hamper, a stylish and practical solution for your laundry needs. Its sleek design complements any room. Featuring a unique air-circulating design, this hamper's perforated sides promote airflow. This helps to prevent odor buildup, keeping your space fresh. Built for everyday use, its strong plastic construction can hold up to 60 liters or 33 pounds of laundry. It's perfect for clothes, towels, and linens. Carrying your laundry is a breeze with the easy-to-grip side cutout handles. Transporting it from room to room or to the laundromat has never been simpler. Its compact, tapered design is ideal for tight spaces. It fits perfectly in bathrooms, closets, or beside appliances, maximizing your floor space. Despite its slim profile, it offers a roomy interior. The tapered shape provides ample space for your laundry while conserving valuable floor space. What we like? Its slim, space-saving design makes it ideal for tight spots. The ventilated sides help prevent odor buildup, keeping your laundry fresh. If you live in a small apartment or have limited space, this hamper is an excellent option. What people say. The hamper is large and can hold a lot of laundry. The lid keeps odors contained and the hamper looking tidy. It's made of durable material that seems like it will last a long time. Number 2. SONGMICS Woven Storage Basket URST76BR. This storage basket comes with a lid that opens easily with one hand. It helps keep unpleasant odors contained and dust away from your belongings. The liner is made from thick, sturdy polycotton fabric. It's also removable, so you can easily hand or machine wash it for a fresh clean. With a large 160-liter capacity, it's perfect for blankets by the sofa, laundry in the bedroom, or storing off-season clothes in the closet. Crafted with a strong metal frame and breathable, waterproof rattan, it ensures your items stay dry and the basket can hold up to 66 pounds. Easily move it around with the convenient cutout handles. When not in use, it folds away neatly for simple storage. What we like? This offers a massive 160-liter capacity, perfect for large households or storing blankets and off-season clothes. The durable, woven design with a metal frame ensures longevity. If you need a substantial storage solution that can also be tucked away when not in use, this is the one. What people say. The hamper is large and can hold a lot of laundry. The lid keeps the laundry out of sight and helps to contain odors. The design is simple and elegant, and it fits well with most decor. Number 1. Best Choice Products Large Laundry Hamper. Introducing our large laundry hamper, built with a sturdy metal frame and a generous interior. It's designed to hold up to 100 pounds of your laundry, linens, and bedding. Crafted from sustainable water hyacinth, this basket is handwoven for a beautiful textured finish. It brings natural elegance and reliable durability to any room in your home. It comes with 2 removable linen liners to keep your clothes protected and help you sort lights from darks. Plus, these liners are machine washable for easy cleaning. Moving your laundry is a breeze with the built-in handle cutouts on the sides. The wooden handles on the liners also make carrying everything from room to room simple. Keep your space tidy and odors contained with the integrated lid. It provides discreet coverage and adds a stylish touch to your laundry area. This hamper offers a large 30-gallon capacity, perfect for handling all your laundry needs. It measures 24 inches long, 12.75 inches wide, and 24 inches high. What we like? Crafted from beautiful, sustainable water hyacinth, this hamper adds a natural elegance to any room. It comes with 2 removable linen liners, perfect for sorting lights and darks. If you appreciate natural materials and need a hamper that is both stylish and functional, this is a fantastic pick. What people say. The hamper is large and can hold a lot of laundry. The lid keeps odors contained and the hamper looking tidy. It's sturdy and well-made, with a nice design that fits most decor. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.